Hey guys, today we're gonna replace the battery of our Passat B7. This is a preventive maintenance since the battery is still original and already 11 years old. Voltage is already quite low. Made in week 27, 2014. Disconnect the negative terminal. And the positive terminal. You need to undo the bolt which holds the bracket. We bought closest specification 70 amp battery since we couldn't find same original spec 68 amp which was installed. Done. Checked new battery's parameters with my battery tester. Time to register battery's replacement using VCDS. This can be done in module 19 or module 61 if installed. I will link a video in the description where you can find different module options and register procedures. In our case, the register function was in another menu. For some reason, the battery brand and the battery number were incorrect in this menu. The battery size was correct though, 68 amps. I will input new battery capacity, 70 amps. Manufacturer Varta, and new battery number by changing one digit in it. Okay, this should be it. Testing time. Looks good. Thanks for watching.